Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. Before we start our today's subject geography, don't forget to subscribe this page by clicking bell icon so that you can regularly receive notification of upcoming videos. Before we start our new lesson, let's recap our previous lesson of universe. In that, we studied that universe consists of galaxies, local group, the Milky Way, billions of stars and the solar system. Now let's go to our today's lesson, which is about the details of solar system. Now come to the objectives. The learning objectives of today's lesson are: explain the concept of the solar system, explain the situation of Earth and how life is possible on Earth, and to describe the shape and size of the Earth. Now come to the solar system. The solar system consists of the Sun, the 8 planets. Students, 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and other smaller bodies such as asteroids. Asteroids are a group of small bodies made of rock and metal which revolves around the Sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Meteorites. Meteorites, when heavenly bodies collide with one another, fragments of rock break off. Their pieces may find their way towards the earth. Such objects are called meteors. Meteors are usually small and burn up before they can reach the earth's surface. And comets. Students, comets they have a bright head and tail which always points away from the sun. They move around the sun in regular orbits, but these orbits are elongated so that it takes hundreds or thousands of years to complete one revolution around the sun. A planet is a round object that moves around a star. The sun is a star lying at the center of our solar system. A star is an extremely big ball of bright matter in space. Look at picture. Now let's go to next topic. How is life possible on Earth? Earth is only planet in a solar system suitable for living things. Living things can only stay alive and grow when water and air are present and the temperature is right. There are elements that make up the atmosphere. Among them are air, temperature, vapor, rainfall, wind. Students, why planet Earth is suitable for living thing? Why Earth is so special? Because it gets the right amount of sunlight from the sun. Earth also has water that all living things need. It has an atmosphere to help absorb heat from the sun so that it will not be too hot. The atmosphere also helps to prevent the loss of heat at night. That keeps it warm. That's why planet Earth is suitable for living thing. Now come to shape and size of the earth. Students, you know the earth is round like a sphere. The poles are flattened and the earth at the center is bulging out. This shape is known as an oblate spheroid. Due to this shape, the vertical distance of the earth from the North Pole to the South Pole is 40,008 km, while the horizontal distance across the equator is about 40,075 km. Look at picture. We are over with this topic. Now let's go to activity session. What does the solar system look like? You have learned about the solar system and the planets within it. Recreate your experience by making a 3D model of the solar system. Here are some links you can refer to for ideas when you are making the model. After you have completed your 3D model, bring it to school and present it to your class.